A bomb has exploded at the residence of factional state secretary of the All Progressives Congress in Edo State, Lawrence Orka. The bomb shattered a part of the building and dug a hole in the ground. No life was lost in the attack. The team of police anti-bomb squad was at the residence at about 8 a.m. to remove the unexploded explosive. Orka said the incident happened at about 12:30 a.m. Chieftains of the APC, such as Pastor Osaze Ize-Iyamu, Dr. Pius Ojubo, and others were at the residence for solidarity visit.